This is how you can see how much you spent on Steam. So come here, hover over your profile name, go ahead and click on that. Then what I want you to do is click on the second option that says account details and your account name, your username, right? Click on that. And right here, what I want you to do is come here under account details. We have the store and purchase history. I want you to click on view purchase history. Okay, click on this option. Now right here, you'll be able to see how much exactly you have spent on Steam. And if you had used your wallet balance on Steam, you'd have seen the change made by buying a specific item, right? The balance you have left. For example, this is $1.99. This was $3.99. The exact date you spent these on, what exact items they were they games, right? What they were exactly, the type of transaction, what payment method you used. You can see everything right here on this page, okay?